Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. To make the ranch, I'm going to start out with the mayonnaise. Now I'm not making a lot because there's only two of us and we just need a little bit to be able to dip in. So I'm doing it more as a sample to show you how I make it. So I'm starting out with the mayonnaise. Then I'm going to go to the sour cream. Sour cream is new, needs to be stirred up just a little bit. Kind of separates sitting in the store. Equal amounts of sour cream to mayonnaise. Now a typical recipe for this ranch would call for milk. I'm just not going to do it, and it's going to make it a little thicker. For seasoning, we'll put that in after we put in a little bit of lemon juice. By the way, all these measurements are over at the website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. And while I'm thinking of it, click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell so that when I drop new videos, you'll see what I do. So, as far as lemon juice goes, it's pretty strong. You can use real lemons or lemon concentrate. So, I just put in part of a cap. It's pretty strong stuff. Then, dill. Dill is another one of those things that's real strong. So just do a pinch of it. You can always put more in if you want. I actually went to the factory where they make this in Naperville, Illinois. I did some work in that factory. This is the parsley, where they bag it. It comes in big, huge bags, probably 100-pound bags, and then they put it in the machines and then they bottle it like this. Dill day was pretty tough. When I was there, it's pretty strong. This is a fairly mild. Parsley is fairly mild. Chives are fairly mild and good. I'm just using the holes. I'm not using the big spot on there. Onion powder. If you ask me, onion powder and garlic powder, you can't put too much in. I love it. Here's the garlic powder. Pink Himalayan salt. This you have to be careful with. And then black pepper. Next time I put in too much black pepper. Parts, this stuff is hot. So, put in too much pepper. And then you just mix it up. You can use a whisk if you want a whisk. I have the spoon dirty already. I'll use a spoon. Smells good. Smells like ranch salad dressing. That is really good. Okay? And then you can just dip these in it. Dip it in, see how they taste. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.